Welcome to our video, where we're diving into the latest leaks about the highly anticipated Google Pixel Watch 4. With excitement building around its design changes and rumored features, let's explore everything that's been revealed so far about this new smartwatch. From its form factor to possible functionalities, we've got it all covered in this detailed rundown. Starting with one of the most noticeable changes, the Google Pixel Watch 4 is said to be thicker compared to its predecessor, the Pixel Watch 3. This added thickness might be a design choice to accommodate a larger battery, potentially enhancing the device's battery life and usability over extended periods. While this change may alter its overall aesthetic, it could lead to significant improvements in functionality. Another exciting change is the adjustment to the screen's bezels, which appear slimmer than those of the Pixel Watch 3. This subtle but impactful refinement is likely to improve the visual experience, making the display feel larger and more immersive for users. It's a step forward in refining the look and usability of the watch. The absence of 4 pins at the back of the device has sparked speculation about wireless charging support. If true, this would be a significant feature upgrade, offering convenience and aligning with modern trends in wearable technology. While details remain unconfirmed, it's a feature that many are eagerly anticipating. There's also talk of 2 buttons added on either side of the speaker. Their functionality remains unknown, but these additions have certainly piqued curiosity. Could they unlock new shortcuts or controls? Only time will tell, but it's a feature worth keeping an eye on. In terms of size, the Pixel Watch 4 is rumored to come in 2 sizes, possibly 41mm and 45mm. This variety will likely appeal to a broader audience, offering choices to suit different wrist sizes and preferences. It's always great to see more personalization options for wearables. Moreover, the watch is expected to launch in multiple colorways, similar to its predecessor, the Pixel Watch 3. These color options would allow users to pick styles that resonate with their personality or fit their wardrobe seamlessly. Finally, the Pixel Watch 4 is rumored to feature a new chipset, moving away from the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1. This change might deliver a substantial improvement in performance, ensuring smoother operations and better compatibility with apps and functions. It's exciting to think about the possibilities this upgrade could bring. In summary, the Google Pixel Watch 4 has a lot of promising changes in store. From its thicker design and slimmer bezels to the possibility of wireless charging and a new chipset, this smartwatch might just set a new standard in the wearable tech market. What are your thoughts on these rumors? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech leaks and news. Stay tuned!